Welcome and welcome back.
In my small space gardening oasis, you will learn how to grow more in a small space or how to grow more plants in less space. Oh, I garden in a tiny space with extreme heat and little water. I started a small space container vegetable garden. I have several small space gardening ideas that will teach you how to maximize growing space. I have a year-round heat tolerant vegetable summer garden.
My name is Stacy.
Come garden with me now, man.
So today we'll be doing some garden work. Alright, so my banana tree under here, you can see that these leaves, they are drying up and they are falling down. So I'm just going to cut them off so that the plant doesn't focus on them. No, that is better. This one is kind of drying up as well, but it is not falling down, so I'm going to let that one stay. I would like to say a warm welcome to all my new gardening family. Thank you so much for coming on board. It is heartfelt, and thank you also to my faithful supporters. I sincerely appreciate you all. I've just taken to see if there are any lizard inside here. That if they're there, they can leave because now I am here. Alright, so you can see that my grapevines, they're all over the place. Just take this off. They are spreading their wings. So I just need to contain them to their little area. So I'm just going to put these over to here. Alright, that looks better. Can work with that. See my dragon fruits over here? They are progressing very well. Very, very well. So I just need to have them keep running up this trellis until they get here. Then they can spread their wings. Just going to put a string right here and one right here. Alright, so just going to put this one in as well so that when it gets up here, I won't have to add another string. Just do it to the top like this. Sit down a little. See if I can access it a little better. That wasn't tight enough. This is better now. So that is that. So now here. So when this one gets up taller, because I'm trying to limit the strings, the amount of strings that I put on them, I don't want to double tie. So I will have to pull it to incorporate this one when it gets bigger. So let me just go ahead and tie this one. So I'm actually training it, guys, so that it keep going up until it's time for them to spread. This cucumber, I just need to attach it to the trellis so that it can follow suit. So basically, I am just letting the tendrils connect together. This way, oh, that one break. This way, it can continue to run on the trellis. But let me just put this right here like that. You can see my cabbages right here. I had them a very long time, so I'm not sure if they're actually going to form heads, but I do heat my cabbage leaves, and so I am still proud of them. So I am going to go ahead and clean them up a bit. I am just basically taking off the decaying leaves, and usually it's at the bottom. See right here, this is a decaying leaf, and what it does is attract pests. So if you can get rid of your decaying leaves from your garden, then you're doing your garden and yourself a big favor. So if they're not diseased, you can always put them in your compost or your liquid fertilizer, or just bury them in your soil. This hot pepper tree, it was actually a volunteer, but I'm telling you, it seasons the pot very, very well. I am just taking off these decaying leaves off of there. You can see it is pushing out fresh new leaves. My passion fruit right here, taking over my cherry leaf, and just get it off. Look at that, guys. I have another papaya growing in here. I sure didn't put it there. It may have come from compost. So this passion fruit tree, where is the ending? Wow, where it is? Oh, this one is attached to it. Just pull it off. All right, so I'm trying to get them to run along here on the chair right there. So my corns inside here, as you can see, I am just going to add some of the chicken manure that is in sawdust inside them.
Please follow my YouTube gardening journey here in Portmore, Jamaica. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, and share if you can. I sincerely appreciate it and thank you so much in advance.
All right, so that should be good. So they'll be watered when I'm watering in the evening. Guys, I can't wait for sweet sops. There are so many. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.